Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling sharp, calm, and in total control, or waking up already behind, anxious and fighting to catch up the rest of the day. The crazy part? It's decided in the first 30 minutes after your eyes open. Most people think they're starting the day right, but they're quietly destroying everything before breakfast. Today, I'm exposing the 4 morning habits that are stealing your energy, focus, and success. And exactly how to... Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Your morning doesn't start when you get out of bed. It starts the second your brain turns on. And if you let these 4 toxic habits run the show, your entire day is cooked. I've been there. I used to roll over, grab my phone, and think just 5 minutes. 3 hours later, I was stressed, late, and mad at myself. Sound familiar? Good. Because once you see these traps, you can't unsee them, and you'll never let them. Let's rip the Band-Aid off. Number 1, hitting snooze. You think it's harmless. You think it gives you extra rest. It doesn't. It murders your energy. Every time you hit snooze and fall back into broken sleep, your body releases more cortisol, the stress hormone. You're literally training your brain to start the day anxious and foggy. I had a client who hit snooze 4 times every morning. We made one rule: alarm goes off, feet on the floor, no negotiation. 2 weeks later, he said it felt like he stole 3 extra hours every day. Stop negotiating with yourself. The most successful people I know treat the first alarm like a fire drill. You wouldn't hit snooze on a fire alarm, would you? Number 2, checking your phone first thing. This one hurts because we all do it. You reach for Instagram, emails, texts, and suddenly your brain is flooded with everyone else's agenda. Your dopamine gets hijacked, your focus is gone, and you just handed the steering wheel of your day to strangers on the internet. Studies show the average person touches their phone 2,600 times a day. If the first touch is before you even stand up, you've already lost. I made a rule: phone stays outside the bedroom. The first 30 minutes of my day belong to me, nobody else. Try it for 7 days. You'll feel that. Number 3, skipping water and jumping straight into coffee. You've been asleep for 7 or 8 hours. Your body is dehydrated. Your brain is literally shrunk from lack of water. Then you pour caffeine on top of that. You're running a high-performance engine with no oil. I used to chug coffee on an empty, dry stomach and wonder why I crashed by 10 a.m. Now the first thing I do, before coffee, before anything, is drink 500 ml of water. Takes 30 seconds. One simple move and my energy is steady all day. If you want to feel unstoppable, hydrate before you caffeinate. Your brain will thank you. Number 4, waking up without a plan. This is the silent killer. You open your eyes and just wing it. No direction, no priority, no fire. The second you do that, life starts happening to you instead of you happening to life. I keep a tiny notebook on my nightstand. Every night, I write the 3 things that must get done. When I wake up, I already know who I need to be today. Takes 60 seconds at night, saves hours of chaos in the morning. Ask yourself right now, if you had to pick only 3 things to win tomorrow, what would they be? Write them down tonight. Watch how fast your days change. Let me make this dead simple. 4 habits to kill forever. 1, snoozing. 2, phone first. 3, coffee before water. 4, replace them with 4 power moves. Alarm rings, right arrow, feet on floor. Phone stays out of reach until your morning routine is done. Drink a big glass of water the second you wake up. Know your top 3 wins before you sleep. Do this for 21 days, and I promise your life will feel completely different. You'll wake up calm, focused, and actually excited for the day instead of playing catch-up from the moment your eyes open. So here's your mission today. Pick one of these traps that hit you the hardest and destroy it tomorrow morning. Just one. Then come back and comment which one you're killing and how day 1 felt. I read every single comment. If this hit you hard, smash the like button. It tells YouTube to push this to more people who need. Subscribe and ring that bell because every week I'm dropping the raw truth that actually changes lives. You deserve a morning that sets you up to win. Start tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one.